I welcome you all to SkyQuestCom's online presentation. In this 15 minutes, we are going to cover about SkyQuestCom's profile, products and services. Before that, why do you need SkyQuestCom's opportunity? For that, I am going to ask you a very simple question. What is your definition for wealth? When a common man is asked this question, normally he defines wealth as bank balance. Some people define it as money. Some people define it as property or asset. Now, what does the world's #1 financial guru Robert Kiyosaki say about wealth? According to him, it's the number of days you can survive forward if you stopped working tomorrow. If you are a working professional, if you stop working tomorrow, how long can you maintain the same lifestyle? If you say 1 month, 2 months or a few months, you are not wealthy. If you can say lifelong, you are really wealthy. It's a very powerful definition. According to Robert Kiyosaki, the most important key to wealth is all successful people have multiple streams of income. All successful people have multiple streams of income. If you just think for a minute, all the successful people around you, what do? All these people have more than one income source. So what is SkyQuestCom? SkyQuestCom can be the second income source for you. No matter who you are, what you do, SkyQuestCom can be the second source of income. By just spending 30 to 40 hours a month, by using a support and training system, you can generate a second income source. So SkyQuestCom was started in the year 2000. We are based in Singapore and we already have 2 million people whose life has been touched and changed by SkyQuestCom. The person behind SkyQuestCom is Richard Tan. He is the CEO and founder of SkyQuestCom. If you can see this, he is holding an award in his hand. This award is called the Phoenix Award. This is being given by the Singapore government to one entrepreneur every single year. It is given to the #1 entrepreneur in Singapore. For the year 2003, Richard Tan was given the #1 entrepreneur award by the Singapore government. And he is the one who is leading SkyQuestCom from the front. The reason why he started SkyQuestCom, he felt we have a product which can make a positive difference in every home and every business. No matter who you are, this company and product will make a positive difference in your life. How do you know a credential about a company? You go to see what are other people talking about SkyQuestCom. These are some of the awards we got in the last few years, given by the top organizations for our quality and commitment. Each of these awards are given by the top organizations for our quality and commitment. Some of the awards got by SkyQuestCom in the last few years. Just to tell you how fast today we are growing in the market. Deloitte is one of the top consulting firms in Asia. Every year they rank the top 500 in Asia Pacific based on a company's growth rate. Where was SkyQuestCom ranked in the last year's top 500? Even if we were ranked at 499, it is very prestigious because we are in the top 500 of Asia Pacific. But for last year, SkyQuestCom did not grow by 100%, did not grow by 200%, did not grow by 500%, not even by 1000%. Last year, SkyQuestCom grew by 2724%, an amazing 2724%. Because of this massive growth rate, we were ranked the 11th fastest in Asia Pacific, and we were also the first fastest growing IT company in Singapore. Today, SkyQuestCom is the first fastest growing IT company in Singapore. Because of this massive growth rate, today SkyQuestCom's presence is in 60 countries across the globe. Now let's talk about you. We believe that for an individual to be successful, there are 3 things which are very, very important. What are they? I'm sure you would agree that knowledge is very, very important. But is this enough? We feel skills also are very, very important. At any point in your career, you need communication skills, leadership skills, team building skills, interpersonal skills, financial skills, and so on. We also feel you need to have the right opportunity to be successful in today's world. A combination of knowledge, skills and opportunity determines the individual's success. What is SkyQuest.com? In these three things, what you don't have, you can get through SkyQuest.com. If you're looking for knowledge or if you're looking for skills, you can get through our products and services. If you're looking for opportunity, our part-time opportunity can just work for you. Let's see a brief about our products. In India, we have three premium product packages. The first package is the Personal Development Training Package. The top 50 trainers in the world are our panel speakers. Through SkyQuest.com, you have a chance to get trained by the top 50 trainers in the world. And this is our package 1. We also have 2 computer learning channels. I'm sure you would agree that no matter who you are, in today's world, whatever field you are in, you need to be a computer literate. With that in mind, we have 2 computer learning channels. As I told you, the first package is the Personal Development Training Package, and these are some of the top trainers who are our panel speakers. If you see the top person in the left, I'm sure you would know this person. He is Shiv Khera. He's the #1 personal development trainer in India. He's famous for his book called You Can Win. The person next to Shiv Khera is Brian Tracy, who's one of the top business consultants in the world. He's famous for his book called Psychology of Selling. The person below Shiv Khera is Robert Kiyosaki, as I told you before, the #1 financial guru in this world. All these trainers are the #1 in their respective field. Through SkyQuest.com, you can learn from these top trainers of the world. What are the topics we cover? We have 6 major topics and more than 300 trainings part of this package. The first topic is personal development, which has got more than 80 trainings done by the top trainers to develop your overall personal development skills. The second topic is corporate learning. If you're working for a company or if you're going to work for a company, what all skills you need to be successful in your corporate career. 93 trainings are there in this topic. Everything from building a team, convincing your boss, all the skill sets needed, leadership skills, everything is given in this corporate learning. Third is family channel, husband-wife relationship, girlfriend-boyfriend relationship, how to grow your child to be successful in today's world. All these things are covered in the family channel. Fourth is master channel. If you are a businessman, how to be profitable from day one, how to run multiple business at the same time, everything covered in the master channel. Fifth is lifestyle. What is your current lifestyle? What is the lifestyle you want to lead? These are covered by the top trainers in the lifestyle channel. Sixth is the Hindi channel specialized for India, done by the top trainers on topics which can help a common man to be successful. So we have 300 plus trainings in the personal development package, which is our package 1. As I told you before, we have 2 computer learning channels. Package 2 is multimedia and design. In this package, we have 360 titles covering topics like animation 3D, audio, graphics, internet web design and multimedia. 360 titles in our package 2, multimedia and design. Package 3 is software engineering power pack. If you want to have a career in IT and software, you need this package. We have 410 titles covering topics like programming, operating system, database, internet web design, multimedia and graphics. Let me ask you a very simple question. What is the average price of a computer course in today's market? Each of you would give a different answer, but I'm sure you would agree that it is minimum rupees 2000. As I told you, multimedia design has got 360 titles, software engineering power pack has got 410 titles. In SkyQuest.com, if you break up our pricing, the per title cost is less than rupees 30. It is less than rupees 30. We have done this to make it affordable for the Indian market. So we have 3 premium packages, 300 plus trainings in the personal development, multimedia 360 titles, software engineering power pack 410 titles. As I told you, it's less than rupees 30 per title. Just multiply 410 into 30. It is 12,000 plus. We don't charge 12,000. We charge only rupees 9950. Which means if you pay 9950, you can either take the 300 plus training package in personal development, or the package 2 multimedia and design, or the package 3 software engineering power pack. When Richard Tan started SkyQuest.com in Feb 2005, Our corporate office is in Bangalore and we have subscribers across 50 cities and towns in India. He felt India has got a lot of lower middle class. To make it affordable for the Indian market, he designed 2 packages only for India. What are they? From the 300 plus trainings, selected 93 trainings was packaged as a seminar package, and from multimedia and design, selected 73 courses was packaged. The pricing of these packages are only rupees 5850, which means when you pay 5850, you can either choose 73 multimedia courses or 93 trainings in the personal development channel. These 2 packages are available only in India. When you buy any of SkyCourse.com products, you get 4 products free of cost. A language mastery where you can learn English and Chinese from scratch, an inspiration junction, stories in Flash which will motivate you immediately, a channel for kids and youth. If you have a child in your house, they can use this, and an entertainment channel also. These 4 things comes free of cost, and all our products come with a 10-day money back guarantee. You can use our product for 9 full days. If you don't see value for money, all you have to do is send an email to us and we return you the money. The reason why we do this is we do not want a customer not satisfied to stay with us, but we are very confident about our product. If you come and use a product for 1 or 2 days, there is no way you will go for money back. So in India we have 5 packages, 3 packages in 9950 and 2 packages in 5850. Any package you choose, the opportunity is the same, only the product varies. How do we deliver the product? When you subscribe to a product, we open a website in your name, www.skycoursecom.com/yourname. This is your personalized website. You key in the password, you can start accessing the product from day 1. This is how we deliver you the product immediately. As I told you, today SkyCourse.com is operating in 60 countries and we are the 11th fastest in Asia. How was this possible? No matter who you are, through our support and training system, we will ensure that you use the product, enjoy the product, get the benefits of the product, and when you start building your business, you have a chance to earn a weekly income from day 1 because of our strong support and training system. When you start using a support and training system, you have a chance to build a part-time business, and SkyCourse.com pays you in 3 different ways: enhanced leverage bonus, and cycle bonus. For the same effort, you have a chance to get paid in 3 different ways. This presentation was designed to just give you a brief about SkyCourse.com's profile, products and services, and the part-time opportunity. For more details on how to subscribe, kindly contact the person who's connected to this presentation. He will tell you how to subscribe, how to enjoy your products, and how to earn a regular part-time income through SkyCourse.com's opportunity. Thanks for listening to this presentation, and I welcome you to SkyCourse.com family.